So, here's a little sneak peek of my new workplace. We're gonna move to this office in a couple of days, which is on Monday actually. Just here to get some stuff set up. It's a little bit hot right now. They haven't turned on the AC yet, but this is my workstation. Missing the keyboard. I still have my keyboard at home. Look, there's item right there.
Let's go around.
Yeah, let's go around.
Let's go. Not me again. Your helmet's over there.
Oh, thanks. My egg helmet. So even though I don't get the window view, if I turn back, this is what I see. Wow. Let's go check out the lounge. Chừng nào mình mới phải để cái core vô đây? Chưa quen. Look at this giant screen. Này định để
Two people are they doing over there?
They what are they doing over there?
What are they doing?
Này đảo hay coi phim?
Mọi người dành cái chỗ này để coi World Cup rồi.
Chứ không phải chỗ hôm kia hả? Chỗ hôm kia.
Mình mới mua một cái Xbox mà màn hình siêu bự á.
À, nó gì Xbox? Hay thấy có mấy cái Apple TV 4K nữa, right? Look at this. Got the bar all set up. Another big screen TV over there. Look at those Edison bulbs. I like them. Then this is the chill lounge, right? That looks comfy. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that fridge. Already got some beer in there. Hey, the real question is, are we gonna get like a bartender in there?
Yes, girl.
Are we gonna get a bartender in there?
Yeah.
Cool.
That's what Jason said to me.
It's like a part-time bartender or like a full-time thing?
Maybe part-time.
That's cool. So like every afternoon we're gonna have like happy hours at it. That'd be cool. Yeah.
Wow.
Look at this. Sitting there. Be the model. Oh look. Building a pool table over there.
Ủa cái này là bàn bia à? Không,
Yeah.
the billiard.
Bị lắc ở nhiều quá sao?
Cái hộp cái mà tụi mình
Ping
chơi.
pong? Oh yeah, it should be over there.
Oh,
Over there.
okay. Nó ở đó rồi.
Yep. Ai dán mấy cái này nè.
Xấu như vậy là của tụi mình.
Em mới di chuyển qua luôn. I'm still in love with the view. Look at the Bitexco Tower. And over there we have the... Cái đó phải sông Sài Gòn không Tâm?
Đâu?
Không biết đó
Chị
nó
Duyên cái đó phải sông Sài Gòn không? Không biết. Ở nó.
Really, is it? Yeah, I don't know my geography very well, but... Alright, so real quick, I have been putting off this video so many weeks, so I'm just want to finish it and just want to let you guys know what's going on with me, with everything, because I am so behind on updating everything that's been going on in my life. So, what's been going on with me? The past 5 months here in Vietnam have been quite awesome. I've met some amazing and inspiring people. I've made a lot of new friends and colleagues. And most importantly, I've been immersing myself in Vietnamese cuisine as well as other Asian cuisines. I do miss Western food sometimes, but luckily Saigon is like a melting pot of all types of different cuisines. There are always Western and Eastern restaurants all around, so I sort of have like the best of both worlds here. Anyway, I am doing well at the moment. There have been definitely ups and downs since I moved here, but so far it's been a really solid decision. I needed this change in order to grow personally and professionally. So what's with the lack of video though? Well, at first I expected to vlog here more often, but it turns out I've just been really enjoying the moment and life itself. I went on a company vacation slash team building activity last month to Central Vietnam, and this is all I managed to film. So right now we at the airport. We are going to Da Nang, which is in central Vietnam. Last time I was there probably 4 years ago, and this time we're going with the entire company, so this should be fun.
Oh my god, are you filming?
Yes, I'm filming.
No, don't do it. I'm shy. Lan Nhi nữa.
Thank you.
Hi em.
Gọi điện Lan Nhi với Kim Hương. Rồi cái này giữ luôn ha, có.
Hai đứa.
Nobody wants to take off. What was that? So I think we were the last people to check in, right? Now we actually just got delayed by an hour, so I'm just gonna go have lunch. Jesus Christ, look at the line. The line open for us.
Why you do this to me, girl?
Wide angle, so you can see everything.
Thẳng Hương em tới chưa? Đây.
Cảm ơn.
Yeah.
Xin quý khách lưu ý, xin nhắc lại chuyến bay
Em sơ độ cao à?
Me too, man. You know, I get so
You be shaking like, oh, really?
not taking.
Oh my god, are you filming still?
Yes. No,
Are
still.
you talking the whole time?
No, just started.
Oh, is it filming still?
Yeah, no, take over. You do the whole thing.
Oh my goodness, I don't like my face in this situation.
Wow.
Who are you? Explain yourself.
Explain yourself.
Oh, it's a panda.
No.
Panda.
No.
No.
There's a royalty fee.
Hey. But how you feel? First time on a flight.
Okay, how you feel?
How you feel?
A little bit nervous. Wow.
But I heard you from the underground community.
Yeah.
How could you be nervous?
From the underground. Yeah. What's that?
What a shame. You disgrace the brother.
Now your turn. Explain yourself.
Me the good girl. Really, man?
I'm looking for a sugar daddy.
Me look for a sugar daddy for many years now. It's been difficult. Nowadays you need the big titties. And
I mean, I might have to cut this out. And that's all I need. You don't need to play. No, don't play any Vina House shit. A pretty fun trip. It was a good opportunity for me to get to know everyone at work, in the same and also different departments. Now I'm just waiting until October for a teen-specific trip to Bali. This will be more of a work trip, however, but I'm sure we'll have free time to explore around Bali. And the exciting thing is I'm actually one of the few people that are actually organizing the plan, the itinerary for this trip. So this time I'm actually going to be able to visit Ubud again and Seminyak for the first time. At first this trip was gonna be in August instead of October, but that's been a couple of setbacks. However, our boss said that this is definitely a go. Just gonna be a little bit later than we expected, but it's gonna happen. So this is gonna be pretty awesome. And I'm actually going back to Hoi An and Hue in central Vietnam for a few days in September for vacation with a bunch of people. So hopefully I can fit more there. And that's about it. Gosh, I just realized it's been almost half a year since I got here. I am really trying to get back into my momentum here. I'm having so much fun and I should really try to document those moments more often. I was even thinking about filming more on my iPhone because I think that might help me get back into the rhythm of things, you know. I've been sharing a lot of snippets on Instagram, so if you want to see sort of daily vlogs of what I do here in Vietnam, go check out my Instagram. A little shameless plug there. Alright, well that's all I have to update. For those who have been patiently waiting for me and private messaging me on my social medias, thank you for doing so, and I hope you guys are doing well too. I will see you in the next video, hopefully soon. Bye.